compliment of the season, guys. It has been long. It has been long. I miss you guys. Honestly, I miss you guys. So a quick one, guys. Good morning, afternoon, evening, depends area where you are watching me from. Is your girl Maria Omo Family TV, guys. Oh, quick one, amazing one, good news for that. So guys, you guys can see my face. I'm really working hard on it, guys. So today, guys, I will be bringing out what I use that work for me like boom. So guys, that is what I will be bringing out now. I have used a lot of things, guys. I have tried a lot of remedy, guys, until this my favorite one I just prepared myself. So guys, let me say just 1 week I started using it, guys. You guys can testify of my face now. You guys can see it. They do me because, guys, pimples with dark spot really dare with me, honestly, guys. Even everybody they ask me, what happened to your face? You get belly, like seriously. So guys, the secret is this is the secret. So guys, cafe, brown sugar, and lemon. These three things is the secret behind my dark spot and my pimples, guys. Try this method, guys. It really work, guys. So I'm about to do it this night. So guys, I will be leaving it in my face for 1 hour before I will rest it. So guys, let me show you how I prepare it. It really works, guys, trust me. Before I use tomatoes, I use honey. Honey is very good too. I will be bringing it out as well. Honey is really good, but adding lemon, those things on it, guys, no. I will be teaching you guys how you will really use honey to remove your dark spots. You guys can testify. I am the type that really have dark spots. You can see it now. It just look like magic. It just look like magic. To me, it look like magic, guys. This is the secret. So guys, I will be preparing it now, applying it to my face so that you guys will see how it goes. So let's go there. It's about to go down, guys. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn off that notification bell so that whenever I drop my video, you guys will be the first to be notified. And as you do so, may God bless you. So guys, this is my cafe. I will be taking this small tablespoon, just small kiss tablespoon cafe. You can see this is the cafe. Very so guys, this is the then I will be taking 2 tablespoons of this brown sugar. 2. This one is 1. This one is 2. So guys, then I will, this is the 3 things, in case you are not seeing it well, because I'm doing it in my bedroom. So this is the 3 things. This is the brown sugar. You can get any brown sugar of your choice. The most important thing is brown sugar, guys. So this is the brown sugar I am using. You can take note of it if you have this in your city, your country where you base. So this brown sugar is very nice and very affordable. So this is the cafe I use. You can see I just opened it newly. So let me say just 1 week I started it, guys. I can really see it's really working nice. So this is the cafe I am using. Why I am using this citron, I prefer the green one. I searched for the green one, I couldn't find it, so I decided to buy this one. So that is it. This is the one I just used yesterday, and the person who teach me this face mask, he told me that I will be using it twice daily. But for me, I decided to say no, because I'm a brown skin girl, you know. I don't want my face to be brighter than my body. I don't really like it at all. So I decided to be using it twice in 1 week. You understand? And it really worked like I don't even know how to explain it, guys. Before, you guys can testify of my face, hair was so dark, it looked like I bleach, which I never do before. Honestly, nothing like that, guys. So that is it. What I really used, I really cleaned those things. Oh my, because I was having a, they call it a sunburn, right? Round my face like this was so black. This place, all this place, all this place like this, guys. When you see it, guys, no, this thing really work, guys. If you are facing the same challenge, please use this method. Brown sugar, cafe and lemon is really active. So guys, this is it. So sorry guys, I'm doing it in my bedroom. So this is the cafe and the brown sugar. Then I will be, guys, then I will squeeze the juice of the lemon. Very simple. Because honestly, face to maintain skin, guys, it's not easy, it's not easy, oh, honestly, guys. Sometimes I will say, the cream I use is very expensive. Just look at my face. Even if I told people that this is the cream I rub, they won't believe me, because look, my husband said, leave it, it's nature. I said, no, me, I will not leave it, it's not nature. So I'm tired, I do complain, because me, I like shine. Nigo dojima, oh, you like shine. So guys, you that don't understand my dialect, I said, me, I love bling bling. Money should come and recognize me so that I will look. But so guys, this is it. I just finished mixing the cafe, the brown sugar and the lemon. So now I want to use it to scrub my face. Then after that, I will leave it for 1 hour before I will wash it. After that, I will still bring it here for you guys to see how it look like there before I will now apply my baby powder. Okay guys, so let's go there. So it really works, guys, honestly. This one is more faster than tomatoes. Sorry guys. It really works. If you are facing the same challenge, guys, try this method. Cafe, brown sugar and lemon. You'll be very careful so that it will hurt your eyes. You know, lemon is very hot. The first day I started it, guys, could you believe? Guys, it looked like those dark spots is dirty on my face. I really scrub it hard to the extent I will have injury after washing it, guys. If you see my face, oh my gosh. I say you didn't tell me time now, you should have told me time. It really works, guys. Try it. Just try this method. Cafe, brown sugar and lemon juice. Just use it to scrub your face and leave it for 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, 45 minutes, anyone you know. Guys, this is it. So I will be leaving it for 1 hour to dry on my face. Then I will wash it with my shampoo. Then after that, I will still bring it out for you guys to see. Stay tuned at the end of this video. If you have any question to ask, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you. And as you do so, may God bless you. Yes, my people, so I just finished. No, I don't need to touch my face anyhow this time, because they said touching of face every time is not good. Honestly, touching of face, and I come to really understand the touchy face every time. This my face. No, I don't want to touch it anymore. So I just finished washing the face mask out of my face, the brown sugar, the cafe, and the lemon juice. I just finished washing it out of my face. So guys, now I won't be rubbing any cream to my face this night, because I'm about to go to bed. So what I will do now, we apply my baby powder to my face, because I have that is my face, now Roro, I'm not fat, so I don't know why I be like that. So guys, what I will do now, I will rub this. I will just rub this powder to my face, because I'm about to go to bed. So try this method, guys. Just try this method. Try it. Honestly, to really work. You work for me. You guys can see. Before my face. Hey. I will decided to say no for now. I don't think I will be doing makeup. Let me see how it will go. Guys, I couldn't stay without makeup, because me, I love makeup so much. So makeup is not the cause. You understand? So I just find the solution now. So guys, this is it. So tomorrow morning, by the special grace of God, you can see. So try this method, guys. Cafe, brown sugar, and lemon juice. So try this method for your dark knuckle, your dark spots, and your pimples. So that is it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn off the notification bell, so that whenever I drop any video like this, you will be the first to be notified. And as you do so, may God bless you. At the end of this video, if you have any questions to ask, how those things work, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you. And as you do so, may God bless you. I love you guys. Merry Christmas to you all in advance, and prosperous New Year. Thank you guys. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.